You have felt it, that sudden tightening grip in your chest, that quiet, desperate whisper in the back of your mind when you see someone else living the life you want. You scroll through your phone late at night, and there it is, a teenager who became a millionaire overnight, an obscure digital coin that skyrocketed by 10,000%, a secret trading system that promises to replace your 9-to-5 salary in just 30 days. It is intoxicating, isn't it? The seductive promise of instant wealth, the idea that you're just one click, one choice, one lucky break away from never worrying about money again. It preys on your exhaustion and feeds on your impatience. You start to think, why not me? If I just take this one massive risk, I could skip the line. But I need you to listen to me very carefully. That beautiful, shining oasis you see in the distance, it is a mirage. And if you run toward it blindly, you will not find water. You will drown in the sand.
Let me tell you about Mark. Mark was disciplined. He worked full-time, saved a little from every paycheck, and tried to be responsible. But one night, staring at his bank balance, he did the math. At this pace, freedom wouldn't come until he was old. The slow road started to feel unbearable. Then a coworker showed him an exclusive offshore investment platform. 5%, sometimes 10% every week. It sounded impossible, but the numbers on the screen kept climbing. Mark tested it with $1,000. A week later, it became $1,200. He withdrew it easily. That small win changed everything. The excitement drowned out his caution. He began imagining a different life. No mortgage, no stress, no waiting. The fear of missing out grew louder each day. So he made the decision that felt bold, but was reckless. He emptied his savings, took out a loan, and invested $80,000. 10 years of hard work. For a few days, he felt powerful. Then Tuesday morning came. He opened the app. Error 404. Page not found. The website vanished, the number disconnected. The money was gone. In one quiet moment, Mark realized he hadn't lost because he was unlucky. He lost because he believed in the shortcut.
Why did a smart, hard-working man like Mark lose everything? Because he allowed greed to slip past his defenses. When you are chasing instant riches, your brain undergoes a psychological hijacking. Emotion completely overrides logic. The critical thinking part of your brain shuts down, and the primal, desperate part takes the steering wheel. The mirage of quick wealth is designed exactly for this. It is designed to make you feel stupid for taking the slow route. Scammers and highly speculative markets rely on your impatience. They need you to feel rushed. They need you to believe that the window of opportunity is closing in 5 minutes. But here is the painful truth that Mark learned too late. When an investment offers a massive reward with zero risk, you are not the investor. You are the product. Greed blinds us to the absolute fundamental law of the universe, that true, lasting value takes time to build. When you try to bypass the time, you bypass the foundation, and a house built on nothing will always collapse.
Now look at David. David worked at the exact same company as Mark. He made the exact same salary. But David made a very different choice. David chose the boring path. He chose slow, steady, disciplined investing. Every month, rain or shine, he put 15% of his income into broad, reliable index funds. When the markets went up, David stayed quiet. When the markets crashed, David stayed quiet. He didn't check his portfolio at 3 in the morning. David understood that wealth is not a lottery ticket. It is a marathon. By choosing patience over greed, David bought himself the greatest asset in the world, emotional stability. He slept peacefully at night. His wealth grew quietly in the background, compounding year after year. It wasn't flashy.
He couldn't brag about it at parties, but after 20 years, David was a multi-millionaire. He built an unshakable fortress, brick by boring brick. No chaos, no panic, just absolute quiet power.
You must protect yourself because the world is filled with traps designed to drain your life savings. You must build a wall of extreme skepticism around your hard-earned money. Before you ever consider an investment, ask yourself, does this sound too good to be true? If the answer is yes, walk away immediately. Your future depends on your discernment. I don't care who is pitching it to you. I don't care if your best friend swears by it. I don't care if a celebrity is endorsing it. If it promises guaranteed massive returns with little to no risk, it is a lie. Do not let FOMO dictate your financial future. You must train your mind to reject the urge for instant gratification. When you feel that rush of greed, take a step back, breathe. Force yourself to wait 72 hours before making any financial decision. True opportunities do not expire overnight. Scams do.
Listen to me. If you chase the mirage of instant wealth, you are playing with fire and you will get burned. One greed-driven decision can destroy thousands of hours of your hard work. It can delay your financial freedom by decades. It can chain you to crippling debt, ruin your marriage, and leave you carrying a burden of regret so heavy it will break you. Do not trade your future for a fantasy. The pain of discipline is far less than the pain of regret. Yes, the slow path requires patience. Yes, it takes time, but it is real. It is solid ground. Stop looking for a shortcut. Stop trying to skip the struggle. The struggle is exactly what teaches you how to keep the wealth once you get it. Respect your money. Respect your time. Choose logic over emotion. Choose patience over panic. Build your wealth slowly, quietly, and firmly. Walk away from the mirage. The true oasis is waiting for you at the finish line, but you have to be willing to walk the distance to get there. Stay grounded, stay disciplined, and guard your future with everything you have.
Thank you for listening. If this message resonated with you, subscribe for more content to help you build a life of intention and power. And more importantly, go grab that notebook. Your new story starts now.
If this message feels like it hit home, that's no accident. It's your inner voice calling for change. And here's the truth. Staying the same won't get you anywhere new, but taking action will. That's exactly why thousands of people just like you have already broken free from living paycheck to paycheck by following a simple, proven blueprint. You don't need special skills, you don't need a second job. What you need is the right system, and it's already helping over 55,000 members build real financial freedom. So, here's your choice. Close this video and go back to business as usual, or click the link below and take your first step towards stability, freedom, and the life you know you're meant to live. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to take it?